Freshdesk Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Freshdesk Affiliate Program Review. If you're interested, you'll find the links to Freshdesk's products in the description below. Let's dive into it. Freshdesk is a comprehensive customer support platform designed to help businesses provide exceptional service across multiple channels. Offering features like ticketing systems, live chat, email management, automation, and knowledge bases. Freshdesk is a complete solution for businesses looking to enhance their customer support. With its user-friendly interface and scalability, it's ideal for both small businesses and large enterprises that want to streamline their customer service processes. The Freshdesk Affiliate Program allows affiliates to promote Freshdesk's solutions and earn commissions for every sale or lead generated. This program is perfect for those involved in business consulting, digital marketing, or B2B solutions. Essentially anyone who works with companies that require robust customer service tools. What makes the Freshdesk Affiliate Program stand out is the high demand for customer support software in today's competitive market. Freshdesk has a strong reputation in the industry, with thousands of businesses already using their platform. Affiliates will benefit from Freshdesk's brand recognition and can target a wide range of industries and businesses that rely on customer service solutions to succeed. The commission structure for the Freshdesk Affiliate Program is attractive, offering recurring commissions for subscriptions. With Freshdesk providing different pricing tiers for its products, affiliates have the flexibility to promote various plans, including their free and premium offerings, making it easier to find the right fit for different customers. Additionally, Freshdesk provides marketing materials like banners, landing pages, and email templates, which help affiliates get started quickly and market effectively. In conclusion, the Freshdesk Affiliate Program is a solid opportunity for affiliates looking to promote a top-notch customer service platform. With its competitive commission structure, solid brand reputation, and valuable marketing resources, it's a great choice for anyone interested in the customer support software niche. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more details. And thanks for watching.